San Diego is a beautiful coastal city in Southern California, famous for its sunny weather, stunning beaches, and relaxed vibe. Here you can explore charming neighborhoods, enjoy world-class attractions, and discover rich history mixed with modern culture. From the blue waters of the Pacific Ocean to green parks and lively streets, San Diego offers something for every traveler. It is a place where you can surf in the morning, hike in the afternoon, and watch a breathtaking sunset in the evening. Let's explore the highlights that make San Diego a dream destination for visitors from around the world. Balboa Park is the cultural heart of San Diego, filled with beautiful gardens, walking paths, and stunning Spanish-style buildings. It is home to many museums, theaters, and the famous San Diego Zoo. You can stroll among colorful flowers, listen to street performers, and admire the architecture that feels like stepping into another time. Whether you love art, history, nature, or just a peaceful afternoon outdoors, Balboa Park offers a perfect mix of beauty and inspiration. The USS Midway Museum is a historic aircraft carrier turned into an incredible floating museum. Here you can walk through massive flight decks, climb into real aircraft, and hear stories from veterans who served on board. From the top deck, you get sweeping views of San Diego Bay, and inside you can explore the engine rooms, control centers, and even the crew's living spaces. It is a hands-on journey through naval history that both adults and kids can enjoy. Jolla Cove is a small but stunning beach surrounded by cliffs and crystal clear waters. It is famous for its sea lions, colorful fish, and gentle waves, perfect for snorkeling and swimming. The area has breathtaking ocean views, and the sunsets here are unforgettable. You can walk along the coastal paths, watch seabirds, and enjoy the peaceful sound of waves against the rocks. It is one of the most scenic spots in San Diego for nature lovers and photographers. Torrey Pines State Natural Reserve is a breathtaking stretch of coastal wilderness with rare pine trees, dramatic cliffs, and sweeping ocean views. The hiking trails here lead you through wildflowers, sandstone formations, and peaceful overlooks where you can watch for dolphins and migrating whales. The air is fresh with the scent of the sea, and every turn reveals a new view worth pausing for. It is a place where nature feels untouched and the beauty of California shines in its purest form. Mission Beach Boardwalk is a lively stretch along the sand where you can walk, bike, or skate with the ocean right beside you. The path is lined with shops, cafes, and street performers that bring an energetic coastal vibe. You can watch surfers catching waves, enjoy a cool drink, or just take in the salty breeze. With the sound of the ocean and the buzz of people enjoying the day, it is the perfect place to soak in the beachside spirit of San Diego. Coronado Island is a charming getaway known for its wide, sandy beaches, gentle waves, and relaxed atmosphere. The famous Hotel del Coronado stands as a historic landmark with its red-topped roof and elegant design. You can explore quiet streets lined with shops, cafes, rent a bike to tour the island, or simply enjoy the sparkling views of the San Diego skyline across the bay. It is a perfect blend of small-town charm and coastal beauty. The Gaslamp Quarter is the vibrant downtown district of San Diego, filled with historic buildings, bright lights, and endless energy. By day, you can explore unique shops, art galleries, and cafes. By night, the streets come alive with music, dining, and entertainment. The mix of old-fashioned architecture and modern city life gives this area a special charm. It is a place where history meets nightlife, making it a favorite for both locals and visitors. Old Town San Diego is the birthplace of California, and a place where history comes alive. The streets are lined with preserved buildings, colorful shops, and lively restaurants serving authentic Mexican food. You can visit museums, watch traditional performances, and browse handmade crafts. The mix of historic charm and festive atmosphere makes it a unique spot to learn about the past while enjoying the sights, sounds, and flavors of the present. Sunset Cliffs Natural Park is a breathtaking stretch of coastline with rugged cliffs, sea caves, and panoramic views of the Pacific Ocean. It is a favorite place to watch the sun sink below the horizon, painting the sky with shades of gold and pink. Walking along the cliffside trails, you can feel the ocean breeze and hear the waves crashing far below. It is a peaceful and romantic spot that captures the magic of San Diego's coastline. Mission Bay Park is a large waterfront playground, perfect for outdoor fun. It has calm waters for kayaking, paddleboarding, and sailing, along with green spaces for picnics and barbecues. The walking and biking paths wind along the shoreline, offering beautiful views and a relaxing atmosphere. Families can enjoy playgrounds, open fields, and sandy beaches. With both water activities and peaceful spots to unwind, it is a favorite escape for locals and visitors alike.